there's this app called Mimo App, and one of my viewers asked a question. The question was if you can oh man, it has so many questions, this app, when you use it for the first time with your camera. So the question was, can you, when you record in fast frame rate and 240 frames per second, can you preview the footage on here? Now, the thing is, I need to have something that moves in front of the camera in order to do that. Oh, there's a new firmware update. Look at that. So why don't I do that first? A firmware update. That's new. When would that happen? Yeah, it says download. Oh, now I'm on. I need to download this firmware. I have to be on my wireless network, but right now it's connected to the device. Right? So I need to connect to my network. Holy moly. Don't you love? So I need to connect. So I'm connected to the Osmo Action, but I need to connect to my network, right? So and then I can go back to the Mimo app. There. And then how do I download the software now? See that? Download firmware is there. So now in order to install the firmware, I have to connect to the camera again. Does anybody else have that kind of inconvenience when they try to update their camera? Or is this just me? So this video was about, yeah, now we say install. This video was about frame rate, okay? So let me put this here in the background. It's updating there, and then I need to find something. Yeah, I use this fan in the background. Let's see. Sorry about this. That makes this video longer. And I have yeah, but I don't know. Oh, you can see it spinning. That's all that's needed, right? Can I put it on here? I need here a little bit something underneath where I can. This is more than. There we go. So, you guys can see the fan spinning. I'm sure the camera can see it when it's done updating. Oh. Let's see what's new. Shooting 10-bit video in efficiency mode. I thought that can do that anyway. Added image adjustment, sharpness and noise reduction level can be customized. We know that already. Added support for using with the Action GPS Bluetooth remote controller. I thought that also happened before. Optimized automatic exposure to improve image quality and fix some minor bugs. So that basically I mean, I thought that all happened before. Except the minor bug fixes or something, I don't know. So we see the fan there, okay? Now in my app, yeah, move this over. We still see this. So in the app now, I'm changing here to 4K. No, it was 2.7K. He was asking for 240. 1080p 240, right? So we have now the fast frame rate. And so he wants to know, when you do video, if you can then preview and see in the video at this frame rate if you can see it on the app while you're recording. And as you can see, you can. So you know, I have this here recording and the 240 frames a second, but you can't see it on the camera, but you can see it on the app. And that was the question I was asked. So that is gonna work. Now when you stop recording, then you can see it again there. And in the playback version, there, you can see it there and not here. So for that you would have to download it again to the app. Alright, so that answered that question, and what can I say? You got a free update video here. I see you next time. Don't forget, here, subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.